kindergarten friends. Today's math lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 20. The learning goal for today is I can take from a whole amount and write a number sentence with a minus sign. For today's lesson, you will need a piece of paper, something to write with, and 5 counters. Now I chose to use 5 fishies, but you can use any 5 type of counters you have at your house. For example, 5 buttons, 5 Legos, 5 pennies. You may use anything you have. Just make sure you have a 5 group. Let's begin. Let's start by putting our 5 counters on your table. How many counters do we have? Right, 5 counters. Now let's say we put 3 counters in our hand. We're going to take them away. We have 3 counters in our hand, and how many counters are left on the table? You're right. 5 take away 3 is 2. Now, boys and girls, there is a special way to write what we just said. We had 5 counters. So, let's write the number 5 to show that we have 5 counters. Now, there is a special sign we can use when we want to show that we are taking away. It looks like this. It's called a minus sign. Now, how many did we take away? Well, we took away 3 counters. So, I'm going to write the number 3 to show that we took 3 counters away. Now, you know the next part. Our sign for is the same as or equals. So I'm going to write an equal sign. So now my number sentence says 5 take away 3 equals. Now let's look to see how many we had left on our table. 2. So now we're going to write the number 2. Let's read it together. 5 take away 3 equals 2. Now let's try this another way. I'm going to turn my paper over. And instead of using my counters, I'm going to draw pictures. So let's draw 5 circles. And we can pretend these circles are anything. We can pretend they're my 5 fishies or your 5 counters. So all you need to do is draw 5 circles. This time, we're going to take away 4. Now, do you remember how we can show that we need to take away? Yes, we're going to cross out. So let's cross out 4. Great. And when we took away or crossed out 4, how many circles do we have left? Right. Now let's write the number sentence to match what we just did.